Okay, good morning students, first year students. Today I will discuss the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. In the trigonometric functions, the first topic is radian measure of an angle. Radian measure of an angle. Measurements. Okay, radian measure, degree measure. Okay, these are radian measure. A radian measure, the first definition is radian or circular measure of an angle. Radian measure or circular measure. This is the two lines or two planes. First, angle between two lines or two planes. Two lines or two planes. Two lines or two planes denoted by theta. The angle between any two lines or planes is denoted by theta. Theta, say. Okay. Theta is expressed in terms of degrees or radians. Angle means expressed in the any radians or degrees. Okay. So angle between the two planes are two lines. In between, angle between the two lines, angle is taken theta. That theta expressed in terms of radians or degrees. Any. Okay. So what is the radian definition? A radian is the angle. Radian is the angle subtend at the center of the circle, by an arc. So, radian is a angle. This is the angle. Radian is a angle. Subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. Arc means what? This is the radius. This is also radius. So this one. This is the arc. Okay, arc. By an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. This arc length, radius both are same. It's called radius. Okay, next this one. Radian measure of an angle, circular measure of an angle. What is the angle? Two or more. Angle between the two lines or two planes. The angle between the two lines or two planes. The angle is theta. Say that theta expressed in terms of radius or degrees. Okay. So radian. The radian is the angle. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. This one. Okay. Next one. Okay. Look at this. If you want these two definitions or any, if you want on the board, total, if you want, then you take screenshot. You take screenshot. Trigonometry functions, so trigonometry chapter is very useful 2 in physics, chemistry, mathematics, or any subject total. In first year mathematics, second year mathematics, trigonometry chapter, not only trigonometry chapter, trigonometric formulas, trigonometric applications, those are very important. Mathematics means trigonometry, one part of maths. So in already 10th class, this chapter is already in 10th class, but in 10th class only simple problems, simple sin 30, sin 60, this type of simple problems. Some members choice also. Very useful. Trigonometry chapter only in first PUC, not in second PUC, but applications is in second PUC, derivatives, integrations, total. So, radian symbol, pi radians. This is the symbol of radian. Pi radians is pi. Okay, this is the pi. This equal to pi. This is phi. Phi. Empty set. Phi means empty set. This is pi. Okay. Pi. This is the symbol of C. Pi radians equal to pi radians. This equal to the 180 degrees. A degree symbol is 0, small 0. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. The pi radian can be converted into pi into 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees. This is the big 0, this is small 0. The pi can be converted into pi into 1 radian. Okay. 1 radian is equal to 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi degrees. 180 by pi degrees. Okay, pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radian can be converted into pi into 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. Okay, so we want 5 radians. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. Now 5 radians is equal to 5 into 180 by pi degrees. 5 into 180 by pi degrees. We have to calculate. Pi is equal to what? 22 by 7. 3.14. Pi is the irrational number. Okay, 180 by pi. Have to calculate to get the answer. 5 radians. Okay. Next. So, pi by 2 radians is equal to pi by 2 radians is equal to pi by 2 into 180 by pi. Pi by 2 into 180 by pi. Pi cancel, 2 ones, 2 90s. So that is equal to 90 degrees. Pi by 2 radians is equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. Pi by 2 radians is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. One example. 100 pence. 100 pence is equal to 200 rupees. 100 pence is equal to 200 rupees. 1 pen is equal to how much? It's simple. 100 pence is equal to 200 means 1 pen is 2 rupees. 1 pen no 2 rupees. So 1 pen is equal to what? Question mark. 100 pence is equal to 100 pence is equal to 200 rupees. 100 pence means 100 into 1 pen. 100 into 1 pen is equal to 200 rupees. 1 pen is equal to 200 by 100. That is equal to 2 rupees. So 100 pence 200 rupees, okay, no problem. And into 2 mark, okay, no problem. So another example. 12 books. 12 books is equal to 35 rupees. 12 books is equal to 35 rupees. 1 book is equal to how? It is easy. 100 to 200 and into 2 more, okay, no problem. But 12 books is equal to 35 rupees. 1 book is equal to how? Means 12 books is equal to 12 into 1 book. 12 into 1 book is equal to 35 rupees. 1 book is equal to 35 by 12. 35 by 12. Calculate, you have calculate. 35 by 12 means 12 twos, 12 threes, that is 12 twos 24. 24 11. Okay, 11.0 nines 108 2, nearly 2 rupees 90 paisa or 91 paisa, nearly. You calculate. 1 book is equal to, okay, this one, 1 book is equal to. So 5 books is equal to 5 into 35 by 12. You have to calculate. This is the procedure. So many members tell wrong answer. Told wrong answer because no procedure. You don't know procedure. 100 pens 200 rupees. Okay, into 2 rupees 1 pen. Okay, it is easy to divide. Is it this one? Okay, look at this. Observe this. Write down. Next, homework homework is pi by 3 equal to pi by 3 radians is equal to how many degrees? Degrees convert into degrees to radians to degree. Radians to degree. Pi by 3. Pi by 4 radians is equal to pi by 6 radians is equal to 2 pi radians is equal to 2 pi by 3 radians is equal to. This is the homework. Next, the homework, next one. Next one. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Are clear? Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Is it clear? Is it true or false? Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So the 180 degrees can be converted into 1 degree is equal to pi radians. 180 into 1 degree is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. Radians are given convert into degrees. Pi by 180 by pi. Degrees are given converted into radians. Pi by 180. 1 degree. So 2 degree. 2 into pi by 180 radians, that is equal to 2 pi by the radians. That is equal to 2 into pi by 180 radians, that is equal to pi by 90 radians. Okay. At the same time, 3 degrees equal to 3 into pi by 180 radians degrees. 3 into pi by 180 radians. So pi by 60 radians. Example. 90 degrees is equal to 90 degrees is equal to 90 into pi by 180. 90 degrees is equal to 90 into pi by 180. 91 so 90 into so that is equal to pi by 2 radians. 90 degrees is equal to pi by 2 radians. At the same time, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. The homework. How to convert? By using the formula pi by 180. Okay. These are homework. No problem at all. Okay, 30, 60, 45, 180, 270, these are converted into radians. Okay, next. Next one. 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Minutes symbol is 1, power 1. Power 1 is minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 at the same time 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 1 minute is equal to 1 degree. 1 minute is equal to how many degrees? 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. So 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 1 by 60 degrees. That is equal to 5 into 1 by 60 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 12 degrees. Have to homework. 6 minutes is equal to 10 minutes is equal to 15 minutes is equal to your homework. Next. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second symbol, power 1 symbol. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 60 into 1 second is equal to 1 minute. 1 second is equal to how many minutes? 1 by 60 minutes. 1 second is equal to. So next one. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. 60 minutes is equal to 60 minutes is equal to. Now 1 minute is equal to how many? 60 seconds. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 60 into 1 minute. Okay. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 1 minute. So 60 into 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 degree is equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 degree is equal to 3600 into 1 second. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degrees. Okay, these are both are confusing, but observe carefully one by one. Okay. Okay, remember the table. Sine 30 degrees, sine pi by 6 radians, the table. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss the trigonometric functions. Sine. What are the trigonometric functions? Sine, cos, sine, theta, cos, tan, cot, secant. These are trigonometric functions. Okay, our trigonometric function sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. This type. Okay, explain that. Okay, thank you.